Welcome to another episode of Krypto Kowalski. In this episode, I'll be going over how to deposit your onions from the exchange directly into DeepOnion's Mac wallet. So first, we'll need to go to the exchange in which we purchased the onions from. So I use Kryptopia. So I'm going to go onto the Kryptopia site and I'll show you how to transfer it. So what we'll need to do first is we're going to need to copy our address where we received the coins. So we'll simply click here where it says receive coins, and this is going to be our address. So this is going to be the deposit address to send our coins to. So we're just going to simply click copy address, and that's going to copy the address. Now I'm going to go ahead and log into Kryptopia's site, which is kryptopia.co.nz for New Zealand. Now in the other tutorial I covered how to create a Kryptopia account, but if you do need to create an account, you'll just click this register option here. And of course if you already have an account, you'll just click the login to sign into the system. So now I'm going to enter in my information. And now what we're going to do is we're going to simply click the B for balances. And then this is going to show all the balances that I have. So right now I have about 6 DeepOnion. Now I really only want to transfer 3 DeepOnion. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a withdraw onion. So it's going to be this red mark here. So we're going to click this red button to withdraw the onion. And then I'm going to transfer 3 onion. And remember when we copied the address earlier, so now we're going to paste that. So it's going to go ahead and paste this in. And then I have 2-step verification, so it's going to have me enter in the PIN. And then I'm going to click next. So now I went ahead and sent it, and it's going to have a confirmation email sent to my email address here. So now I'm just going to go into my email real quick. I'm just going to do it on my phone because it's going to be easier. And then I'm going to verify the transaction. And I just received the email now. So the email topic, it's going to say Kryptopia withdrawal confirmation. And then there's going to be a link for you to click. The button will say confirm withdrawal. And in just a little bit, we're going to receive those onions in our wallet. And we just received the transaction. So now it's going to say 2.99 onion. Now it charged a 0.01 onion fee, so if I actually wanted to transfer a full 3, I would have put 3.01, and that way it would have done an even 3. But for this exercise, I just wanted to show you how it works. So right now it's going to show as unconfirmed per 2.99 onion, but eventually it's going to go into the spendable. And now it looks like that it's in spendable. So now we have 2.99 onion to spend. So if you look, there also will be a stake option. So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to do staking. Please visit the DeepOnion community, and thank you for watching.